You don't need coding skills. You don't need experience. All you need is the right AI tools and a little creativity. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start today with zero experience. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or just looking to make extra cash, these side hustles are your shortcut to freedom. Side hustle number 1, AI blog writing. Use tools like ChatGPT or WriteSonic to generate full blog posts in minutes. Publish them on Medium and get paid through their partner program. Or use affiliate links to turn traffic into cash. Side hustle number 2, AI art for print on demand. With Midjourney or Leonardo AI, create stunning art. Upload to Printify, Redbubble, or Etsy and sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters. No inventory. Just upload and earn. Side hustle number 3, AI voiceover services. Use ElevenLabs to create realistic voiceovers and sell them on Fiverr or freelance sites. Perfect for people without mics or a recording setup. Side hustle number 4, AI eBook publishing. ChatGPT writes, Canva designs, Amazon KDP publishers. Start earning passive income from your digital books. Side hustle number 5, social media automation with AI. Use ChatGPT for script writing and CapCut or Pictory for short-form videos. Post to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Monetize with affiliate links or build a loyal audience. Side hustle number 6, AI email copywriting. Businesses need emails that convert. You can offer this using ChatGPT and earn a monthly income by writing weekly newsletters or promo campaigns. Side hustle number 7, become an AI virtual assistant. With Zapier and Notion AI, you can automate tasks, manage workflows, and save time for business owners. You don't need to be techie, follow tutorials, and offer your service on freelance platforms. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. These AI side hustles are fast, scalable, and beginner-friendly. Pick one, take action, and build your freedom, starting today. And if you want a full tutorial on any of these, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.